If you feel confused about colors, there is an easy way to simplify your painting process. Picking one type of a blue, which in this case is cerulean, one type of a red, which in this case is quinacridone red orange. Don't get too scared. It's the color of blood. And yellow ochre, which is a bit like mustard. Ah, come on. Ah. Yeah. On top of all that, you need white. Color mixing, an exercise to help you get painting. What you want to see is what your red is. That's your red. That's the quinacridone red orange. Now, the blue that we are using is cerulean, and the yellow we are using is ochre. It's not a particularly lively yellow, but it will help you get an idea of what you can get out of these colors if you mix a version of them with white. So if you mix ochre with white, you get something that's very close to Naples yellow. Okay, now as for your orange, you want to get that much of a yellow and just this much of a red. Now that's not gonna be very orangey. You need a bit more of that orange, more of that red. That is like a rusty browny orange color. And that's what you get with mixing it with white. Now you want to see what the same ochre can do for you mixed up with cerulean. You get a very muted green. Almost gray. And that's the whitish mixture. And then you want to see the kind of purple you can get. Now we need more blue. Ah, that's lovely. And if you want to make sure it's the right color, you can check it over there. Now this is a very earth-toned color palette. You can see it right there. You can paint a lovely, boring, natural looking forest with this. That's quinacridone red orange. This one is cerulean. And this is yellow ochre. Okay, so if you want to see what else these colors can do for you, you can mix all the colors in between them. Which is, oh, this is a very nice sagey green. And then these are the more yellowy versions. And if you want to look at the colors in between the orange and the yellow, and the red and the orange. Yeah, so that's the full range. This is the range of colors you can get out of cerulean, quinacridone red orange and yellow ochre.